Hello. Today I will be presenting a case study on the digital transformation and innovation efforts at Technip Energies, showcasing how the firm has embraced cutting-edge technologies to drive efficiency, sustainability, and growth. Technip Energies is a leader in engineering and technology, particularly in the energy transition sector. The company has embraced advanced digital technologies designed to enhance project execution, improve operational efficiency, and support lifecycle management. Technip Energies is advancing its digital journey with a focused roadmap comprising three key goals. First, the company is building on its data and digital foundations to become a data centric organization. By cultivating a strong data culture, Technip Energy aims to generate significant business value and drive innovation. Second, the company is establishing digital project execution as a competitive differentiator. This strategy is intended to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in delivering projects. Finally, Technip Energies is positioning itself as a leader in digital services for the energy transition. Their ambition is to provide comprehensive solutions that cover the entire plant lifecycle, supporting clients throughout their journey towards sustainability. So before we go on to exploring what all technologies they have adopted, let's first explore what was the motivation behind adopting these technologies. Technip Energies is facing a significant transformation driven by the global energy transition. In today's rapidly evolving industry, digital technology is no longer just an opportunity but a necessity. For Technip Energies, adopting advanced digital solutions is crucial to addressing major challenges such as decarbonizing sectors like liquefied natural gas, that is LNG, and developing new energy sources like floating offshore wind. The urgency for digital transformation has been underscored by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has accelerated the need to rethink traditional business models and operations. By integrating digital technologies, Technip Energies can capture and connect valuable data, enhancing efficiency and accelerating the shift to low carbon future. In a fragmented digital ecosystem with diverse players and growing competitors, embracing these technologies is key to staying ahead and achieving sustainability goals. Technip Energies' focus on digital transformation reflects its commitment to innovation and leading the industry towards a more sustainable energy landscape. Technip Energies has strategically adopted several cutting-edge digital technologies to elevate project delivery. While they already excel in managing EPC projects across diverse and challenging environments, there is a drive to enhance speed, quality, and predictability even. In the following slides, we will explore digital project management toolbox adopted by Technip Energies to harmonize project methods, foster better collaboration with clients and the supply chain, and continually differentiate Technip Energies in the industry. Let's have a look at their speed trademark model, which is taking system engineering to the next level by maximizing reuse opportunities on projects, leading to significant reductions in cycle time. Speed trademark is already in use on several units, including carbon capture and storage and hydrogen and acid gas removal, and they are currently expanding this approach to other priority technologies. Next, Technip Energies is driving a deep transformation through smarter, digitalized, data-driven processes orchestrated via a single project platform. This involves creating global integrated conceptual and physical data models, streamlining and digitalizing over 150 processes, and connecting the project lifecycle management PLM system with engineering, authoring, project control, ERP, that is enterprise resource planning, and construction tools. Technip Energies EasyPlan Suite is an in-house construction platform designed to enable collaborative management of all construction activities until client handover. It handles planning, progress tracking, quality inspection management through digital signature, material maintenance and preservation tracking, monitoring of subcontractor scope of work, punch list item management, and more. Deployed across all construction sites and yards, it utilizes 20 years of feedback and data from 50 reference projects and now has over 2,000 active users worldwide. Technip Energies is also developing best practices in visual intelligence technologies for specific use cases, including construction progress analysis, conformity checks, and personal safety monitoring. A digital twin is a digital representation of a physical asset and its dynamic behavior throughout its life cycle. Initiated during the engineering phase, it is progressively enriched with data and simulations to create an as-built digital twin. In operations, the digital twin can connect to and ingest live operational data, visualize information, simulate future behavior to minimize greenhouse gas emissions, reduce operational time, and train operators for specific tasks. In essence, a digital twin enhances performance across the asset's entire life cycle by ensuring digital continuity and integrating multiple data sources, including real-time data. Technip Energies aim to deliver digital twin-ready assets and plants, providing components for specific systems and use cases. They are also working on defining standard functional specifications for digital twin assets in collaboration with clients. Technip Energies is addressing the energy industry's digital demands with cutting edge tools that integrate engineering and data. Now, let's explore how Technip Energies has adopted these digital services to enhance monitoring, modeling, maintenance, and security for clients. Beyond by 10 trademark is the umbrella name for full suite of digital services offered by Technip Energies. While the company is renowned for its EPC and technology expertise, it has now focused on evolving into a services provider by embracing a startup mentality to develop innovative digital solutions. In practice, this involves leveraging their unique integrator position to create solutions for challenges like asset decarbonization, and life of field services, including digital twins for floating offshore wind. They are also committed to enhancing client experience through a stronger digital interaction, establishing a dedicated business for digital services with specialized skills, and strategically partnering with technology leaders to expand their offerings beyond traditional expertise. GenCat, that is Genesis Carbon Assessment Tools, empowers stakeholders to make informed decisions about emissions from the early stages of development and optimize minimization opportunities for existing assets. This tool offers built-in metric for decision making with flexible parameters applicable throughout all project phases. By integrating engineering, environmental, and estimating teams, and utilizing proprietary tools like GenCat, Trademark, and the Asset Development Evaluation and Planning tool, Technip Energies can quickly generate realistic and cost-effective solutions to tackle the project's environmental and social challenges. Plant Operator Digital Simulator, as called as PODS, is a leading-edge immersive and interactive in-house training solution that couples a traditional operator training system, that is the OTS, with a virtual reality environment. It enables simultaneous and collaborative training for both field and central control room operators. PODS is designed to provide the most realistic, interactive training in an inherently safe environment. Typically, PODS combine several expertise domains: process safety and modeling, advanced system engineering, human factors engineering, maintenance and automation, and interactive real-time 3D simulation. Spyro Assist Management is based on real-time plant data, advanced analysis, combined with decades of technology expertise. This service continuously monitors operations and provides recommendation for optimized plant settings. This allows them to anticipate maintenance, maximize product value, and minimize environmental impact. SAM relies on Technip Energies' fundamental design and engineering knowledge of ethylene plants, historical operation data, and AI and machine learning expertise. Advanced robotic assistance for project delivery and operations. In a context where low manning or unmanned assets are drivers to increase efficiency and lower risk exposure, Cybernetics, a Technip Energies company with a 35-year track record in robotic system integration and remote surveillance, data acquisition deployed in onshore, offshore, subsea, and nuclear industries, bridges digital and robotics via 6Pro. a robot supervision software enabling both autonomous missions mode and remote manual handling mode, and Sixth Sense Suite, a robotic supervision system used to manage a fleet of robots executing autonomous or teleoperated inspection, maintenance, or repair tasks on low unmanned installations. The strategic objectives of adopting these technologies that we have discussed in the previous slides align with Technip Energy's long-term vision. These include enhancing operational efficiency, supporting sustainability initiatives, driving innovation, and mitigating risks. The firm integrates these technologies to support both short-term and long-term goals effectively. Let's now explore the assessment and implementation process. It begins with a thorough evaluation of technologies to ensure alignment with strategic goals and industry standards. This is followed by pilot testing to assess performance and identify areas for improvement. Engaging stakeholders and collecting customer feedback are crucial for refining and enhancing the solutions. The executive committee is fully committed to all these digital transformation efforts. A notable example of strategic partnerships include the collaboration with ARAS. This partnership has resulted in standardized data flows, improved cross-functional team collaboration, and seamless data integration, enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency. Additionally, Technip Energies has partnered with Baker Hughes General Electric to develop digital applications for the LNG industry, which enhances operational efficiency and safety. The recent acquisition of Seed Energy further strengthens their digital capabilities, focusing on energy transition solutions and driving innovation. Let's explore how Technip Energies is impacting its processes and infrastructure through digital transformation. Technip Energies is leveraging technologies like GenCat for accurate carbon footprint assessments and AI-powered tool for real-time emissions monitoring. These advancements are crucial for making informed carbon conscious decisions and minimizing emissions. The company is also enhancing its data driven approach to improve ESG KPIs, including Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions. To support these innovations, Technip Energies is upgrading its infrastructure to integrate new digital solutions seamlessly. By investing in these technologies, the company aims to accelerate project delivery and reduce investment risks. Furthermore, Technip Energies is investing in its workforce with tailored training programs, including a data science program to cultivate internal data science expertise. This commitment to digital and data transformation is key to achieving a sustainable, greener future. Finally, let's examine the impact of Technip Energy's digital transformation on its firm outcomes and market position. Technip Energies has adopted a forward-looking approach to digital, positioning it as a key driver of sustainable and profitable growth. The shift is generating new revenue streams and aligning with ESG goals, effectively differentiating the company in the market. The integration of innovative digital solutions not only helps clients make carbon conscious decisions, but also optimizes energy transition projects. By fully embracing digital capabilities, Technip Energies is enhancing internal efficiency, improving collaboration across the value chain, and developing new business models. This strategic focus on digital transformation and adopting new technologies is crucial for driving revenue growth, strengthening customer engagement, and maintaining a competitive edge in the evolving energy landscape. Thank you.